So hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Rich Haircut Professional. Today we're going to be learn some new concept of round butterfly layers. The round butterfly layers is especially for silk and shiny and natural straight hair for doing this haircut. For why? Because it's naturally looks so stylish. It's look like already setted hair. It's a certain concept. It's visible even open hair, even when she will be tied the hair also. So that's what I choose round butterfly layers, and this will be something like pretty much simple concept, adding the layers and all the sections that will be good for something like horseshoe, and the occipital bone portions were separated. In the crown portion is have big horseshoe sections, like two sections going to be separated, and ear to ear we just going to be take separate sections. The back portion will be all together with layers. Before that, I'm just going to be explaining you help up to the comb as well. So before I'm just going to be explaining help up to the comb. You can just see the section I'm just going to be explaining, and the back portion will be just taking completely properly parallel sections and just cutting up to the as it is one length. Basically just going to be start the first before start the layer. After that, I pick from center profile, lifting them up towards to the 120 degree. The consistent of the same the length we keeping top of that, we just creating the layers. The everything part short to be long, which will be going to be connecting to the layer top to bottom without curl part. Adding complete of the layer. Parameter of the hair parallelly will just going to carry forward with all the hairs. And finishing you can just see in and also might be you seen it in the before start the video. So that it will become flexible layers, each and everything is got connected top to bottom. It looks so awesome and finishing on the complete of the haircut makeover look. So one side is section is got finished. After that, then just cross checking. Got start with another side. Stationary guideline from the previous one, and rest of the thing carry forward with same way and just same degree and same elevations, and thin sections we're just going to be add the layers. After that, I'm cross checking that too. After that, I release side portion. So starting the layers and just keep adding with one line basic. After that, a stationary guideline pick from the back and rest of the hair merging in the layers with same way carry forward. After that, I come to another side. Same thing, stationary guideline, pick from the back and rest of the hair is going to merge in the layer. Turn the section. After that, I'm cross checking. Finally, I come to the crown portion. Both the sections are going to be released soon. After that, I pick from the guideline from center. Merging in the overlapping with the both the sides, center of the crown itself in 90 degree, which is going to be connecting to all the hair and layers. After that, I'm cross checking. Take another side section. After that, I'm the same thing is cross checking. Finally, I got release a fringe portion. She want long, it seems, and just create, which is curve part, just remove and just recreate the layer. That's it. She want a simple way and just clean and neat concept fringe section. So before the styling of the hair, I'm just going to show with natural hair how it is going to carry forward, and look should be clean and neat as well. So hope you all understand the messy look of the haircut. I'm just going to be sharing all the hair in the before the styling, and just you can just see. And if you have any doubts or questions, please let me know in the comments below. The natural hair is looking so beautiful, and she was very much happy with that movement of the haircuts and the layers, overall the carrying forward without compromise the length. And finally, I start the blow dry. Spiral blow dry, which is simplest techniques and evergreen, needed for each and every haircuts, and make all-in-one styling purpose. Finally, I'll come to another section. First section is got finished. Another section going to be start. Finally, I come to side portion. After that, I come to another side. Finally, I'll come to the crown portion. And now will be last front section going to be finished, the haircut. So that will be end finishing, and after that we just going to be add some texture on the hair. So this is a final look, which is you can just see very clearly and flexible and shaping on the layers, very clean and neat movement. Haircut was looking very much voluminous, shiny on the hair, and after the styling it's looking very flexible, you can just see. Hope you all understand and enjoyed to this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please let me know in the comments below how was the complete with such kind of contents we bring back consistently with on and on. So in the front portion you can just see it's looking so blushy and neat and clean finishing, its hair flowing up like flower, like overall the layers visible very clean and neat way. That is the things got expected for something visible, clean and must be lengthy finish. So that is final look up to the hair, and she was very much happy at the end finishing. And after that we're just going to be start with the texture, and after that cut will be finished. For next time we can just bring you concept after the videos. And if you want any specific videos, please let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely look forward. I was expected for this video for 500 likes. Please do so. I hope you all are do. Texture got started, and this is got final finishing after the haircut. So hope you all understand and enjoyed to this video. The last two sections going to be finished complete after the haircut. After that we just showing to the final finishing after the fringe portion. So overall even texture also got finished. Hope you all understand and enjoyed too. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please follow my Insta, Facebook page, and more related videos also mentioned in the description below. Please do watch and do check it out. We'll be meet up with a new concept after the updated video. Until, take care and be safe.